Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't been here already, my name is Christina and I'm going to be doing a skincare routine for you today. You can notice I don't have any makeup on, just my moisturizer, eye cream, some primer, and I've just curled my lashes so you guys can really see what my skin looks like without makeup. I think it's really easy to get compliments. When people compliment me that, oh, you have like really good skin, when I'm wearing like a full face of makeup, it's like, because you can't see it. That's why. The illusion. But yeah, so I'm going to just walk you guys through everything that I use, all the products that I'm currently using, because I haven't done a skincare routine in so long. And also to mention, my skincare routine is always changing, so I'll let you guys kind of know which products I've really stuck to and products I don't really care to switch out. Start off by showing you guys what cleanser I use. To cleanse my face every morning, my sister actually picked this one out and I kind of just started using hers. This is the First Aid Beauty Skin Rescue Deep Cleanser. Looks like this. She picked up the big bottle. This is 4.7 ounces and it says it removes excess oils, unclogs pores, and purifies, safe for sensitive skin. So I've been sticking to this one, but also with my cleansers, I'm not too picky. I'm more concerned about like what's actually staying on my skin. For example, moisturizers and all of that. So cleansers, this one's good, but so are a lot of other cleansers. So nothing really draws my attention to this one, but this is just the one that I'm using currently. After I cleanse my face, a product that I love and I think has changed my skin is using a toner. And basically after you wash your face, take a cotton ball and then you put toner on the cotton ball and you wipe down your face and you'll see all the excess dirt and oil that was on your face that didn't get washed off by the cleanser on the cotton ball. So I think this step is so important and something that I feel so weird if I just cleanse my skin and put moisturizer. I have to use a toner. So for all my days where I just want something lighter, and the one that I use every day, it's the Thayer's the toner facial mist. This one. And this is in the scent Cucumber. So I'll just take this. This one actually has a spray on it. Other ones don't. I actually have both. Love to use this one every day, because I use toner in the morning and at night. And I don't want to like waste my good product, so this one is kind of the one I grab too. It's really good for sensitive skin as well. So, and the next product I'm going to show you, I really love this one. It's the Henriksen Balancing Force Oil Control Toner. This is the one. And I truly love this stuff. For watching Desi Perkins, she was raving about this. So I was like, okay, I'm going to try it. It's pretty affordable. I would say this bottle is about 20 something dollars and it comes with a lot of product. I love to use this product especially on my breakouts. So say that my skin it just needs a little bit more work. Love using this on my skin after I wash my face. So I'll usually just alternate between this one and the Thayer's, depending on how my skin is feeling. Like if I'm having a really good skin day, I don't really need to use this one. Definitely more strong. Has a stronger scent as well. But I recommend, I love having this for the days where my skin is having a rough day. This also takes more dirt and oil out of my skin, I've noticed. I really want to try the one that they just came out with, the blue bottle. This is the exact same one, but I think that one is for, I want to say like dark spots, but I'm not sure. So after I run out of this bottle, I think I'm gonna try the other one, the blue bottle of this. But I highly recommend, this is one of my favorites. So after I tone my skin, I'm ready for a moisturizer. The one that I have been constantly using is this one. My skin is also very dry, so this might be a little too heavy or oily for someone that has oily skin. I don't know exactly how to pronounce it, but Laneige or Laneige. This is the Water Bank Moisture Cream for normal to dry skin. And I've gone through, I think, 2 of these tubs already. A good amount of product as well. I really love this moisturizer. I noticed that when I stop using this, my skin will break out in dry patches. This is just really good for dry skin, especially if you're getting textured dry patches and then you put your foundation on and it doesn't look good because your skin is so dry. Whenever I use this moisturizer, that never happens. Like, this fixes my dry skin. Like, I love this stuff. So on the days that my skin is like not crazy dry and I just want a lighter moisturizer, I have the Henriksen Truth Sea-Rush Brightening Gel Cream. It's this guy right here. It's just a lighter moisturizer. You can kind of tell by looking at it. It's a gel. Usually gel moisturizers are lighter in general. I like alternate, and I use this one on my less dry days, but since it is still super cold outside, I've been sticking to the other one. After I moisturize my skin, sometimes I use eye cream, sometimes I don't. This is the step that I kind of skip sometimes. This is just the Orgins Ginzing Refreshing Eye Cream. I actually got this one, I think it was like gifted to me, so it's like kind of like a smaller size. And if you look at the product, it's kind of pink. It's pink, but it has little shimmers in it. And it's the eye cream that I'm currently wearing right now. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's the eye cream that I have on right now. It's kind of like reflectant. But yeah, I'm going to give you like a little close-up of my skin and like what my issues are. I have little textured bumps. Well, right here I'm actually breaking out. And this is actually like red and dry. Like, I think this was caused from like dryness. Side of my face is just not happy. It's weird that they're just red spots. Like when I touch them, nothing is like inside. Yeah, so this is just like red flaky patches. That's why it's so important to moisturize. Yeah, and then I also get these like little white bumps under my eyes. I know what there are. They start with an M. Milia, or I don't know what it is, but if anyone else has these, let me know what to do, because I've had them since I was little. Everyone knows skin is always going to be up and down. Like, I have really good skin for a few days, and then it just goes downhill. My skin is okay. It's doing okay right now. Okay, to move on. My sister, she really put me on this. I was like really hesitant about it at first because it was expensive, and I just didn't understand what it was for. Dermatological Daily Microfoliant. This guy. On the back it says, achieve brighter, smoother skin every day with this iconic exfoliating powder. It's a rice-based powder activated upon contact with water. It has salicylic? I don't know how to say that word. Salicylic? Salicylic acid and rice enzymes to polish skin to perfection. This stuff is really good. I like to use this about 3 times a week. It's just like a little powder. What I do is I just pour some in my hand, and I'll take a few drops of water, mix it up, and I'll just like really polish this into my skin, and that makes your skin feeling so soft after. And I do see that it is brightening, but I have noticed like I love the way that leaves my skin feeling after I wash my face with that. I'm gonna throw that into my routine. I'll do it after I cleanse. That's something I don't use every day, but it's definitely something I love having and that I would repurchase. I really like that stuff. Face masks. I really don't do face masks. Masks. That's like such a tongue twister. Masks. Ah! I don't have a particular face mask that I really like to use, but this was actually gifted to me, and I really like this one. It's the Glamglow Gravity Mud. I've been using this one probably just like once a week. It has like a really delicious smell. I don't know how to explain the scent. And it's like a silver, it leaves a silver finish on your face, and it's a peel off mask. This is actually really expensive. It's something that I don't think I'd recommend, but I just wanted to throw it in my skincare routine because since I was gifted it, I don't mind using it, and I really want to finish it and not waste it because I know these products in jars don't last as long. And just to show you guys a product that I just picked up at the store and I was really interested in trying, it had a pretty good amount of good reviews. It is the Pixi Overnight Glow Serum. This product was about $24, and what drew my attention to it is it has glycolic acid and aloe vera, and what it says to do is to soothe dry skin. Aloe vera is supposed to soothe your dry skin. It has cucumber, which calms and depuffs, and glycolic acid, which is really good for moisturizing and renewing your skin. So I'm really excited to try this. I'll let you guys know if I like it or not. An extra step before I go to sleep, because I feel like when I wash my face, tone and moisturized, I wanted something to sit in my skin while I sleep. Supposed to gently exfoliate to reveal a healthier and more even skin tone. Helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and fades superficial sun damage over time. You use this at night and you just massage 2 or 3 drops after you cleanse and tone. And then apply your moisturizer on after. Now, if you're letting something sit on your face during the daytime, like you're always kind of touching your face, you have makeup on, I think the nighttime is really good to apply this because you know it's going to stay on your face and it's not going to come off. I want to use this longer to let you guys know if I do like it. If you guys can use a toner after you cleanse your face, you'll see the difference. Even days that I didn't wear makeup, and then I'll just take a cotton pad and I'll go over my whole face with this toner, I see dirt come off, and that just blows my mind that your cleanser really doesn't pick up everything. So that just goes to show that this is definitely worth it. Just to end this video, I think skincare is really important. Even if you have to invest money in it, I think it's so worth it. I know a lot of the products that I do have, they're not available at drugstores. Once you take care of your skin, your makeup is going to go on better and look better as well. Yeah, that is pretty much the end of my skincare routine. That's all that I use. I really try to make sure that I'm washing my face every night. I know it doesn't happen every day. Sometimes I use a makeup wipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel just to keep updated with everything that I'm going to be posting. And you'll see a video from me every Tuesday and Friday. So let me know if you guys want me to do anything specific. I'm always down to do videos. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So this is like my favorite go-to now. I was like going to Starbucks, but Dunkin' Donuts is so much cheaper for the iced coffee. And they also have like sugar-free coconut, sugar-free hazelnut, and sugar-free like toasted almond, which is more of a variety than Starbucks has. So I love Dunkin' Donuts iced coffee with like the sugar-free sweeteners. So bomb.